Ciao guys! So, the DRAKKAR is one of those ships that really makes sense to me, and I'm going to show you why. This model is in 1/50 scale and it is 44 centimeters long and 30 centimeters high. Let's unbox it. So we find the wooden strips and the wooden dowels, the instruction and a single plan, the cloth for the sails, the accessories, and the wood for the deck planking. Hidden under this paper you will find the deck, the keel, the bulkheads and the shaped planks for the hull. I remind you that this kit is advertised as easy, so let's see about that and let's check the instruction manual. The images are in black and white and everything seems to be explained well enough. Although the planking is non-standard and might be challenging for some, planks are cut to shape, so I do not expect the planking face to be that hard. Be sure you sand the bulkheads properly and you'll be good to go. The following stages of work don't look like rocket science to me. At the end of the instruction, you will find the material list. Metal materials are stunning in terms of details. Maybe I would have added a few more axes. Now let's give a proper look to the wooden sheets. We've got a small walnut wood sheet with all deck details, a thin sheet with the deck and the main wooden plywood with bulkhead and keel. The reason why this kit makes actually sense is that making the planks and their slot on some of the bulkheads from scratch will require a lot of time and it's not an easy task. Here are the 0.5 mm planks. Since they are made out of plywood, it won't be hard to bend them without breaking them. The Viking Ship Amati is a good kit for beginners or people who just like the Viking era. The overall difficulty is very low, it just requires a bit of attention in some of the work stages. The rigging of the single mast is pretty easy too. The instructions are clear enough and have some good suggestions too. The materials are wood and metal. The quality is high, even though I would consider making the shields from scratch. The price at the time of this video is 90 euros. Overall, I really like this kit and I think it's one of the best in the market. I might also consider buying a bigger version, maybe in scale 1/25, for expert modelers, if Amati would ever consider making one of them one day. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to make a step-by-step video on this kit, leave a like and I'll see you in the next video.